Hello crochet enthusiasts! Welcome back to Studio Wow! Today, we're diving into a fundamental crochet technique, how to crochet back and forth rows. So, grab your hook, yarn, and let's get started. Start by chaining the desired number of stitches. This will be the foundation for your back and forth rows. The number of chains depends on your project, so refer to your pattern or design. For example, I'll start with 11 chain stitches. Now, let's work on the first row. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Crochet with single crochets until the end of the row. When you reach the end, it's time to turn your work. Chain 1 and turn your work. This turning chain serves as the starting point for your next row. Now, insert your hook into the first stitch and complete a single crochet. Continue across the row, repeating this process. Continue crocheting back and forth rows, chaining 1 and turning at the end of each row to start the next. Repeat until you achieve the desired length for your project. And there you have it, crocheting back and forth rows. A simple yet essential technique for various crochet projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet tips and tutorials. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy crocheting!